Good evening, friends. In this class we are going to see the lesson 8 of learning astrology. In this lesson we are going to see the position of moon in different houses. Like any other planet, moon also behaves differently in different houses. Placement of moon in some bhavas are very favorable to the nature, while some places behave adversely. These are the general results of moon in various places. We should also consider strength, aspect, position, exaltation, derivation points before coming to final conclusion with comparison with the other planets in the chart. Here I am going to only give the moon in different houses. What will be the predictions if moon is placed in different houses. Okay. So in first case, moon in first house. We are going to see moon in first house. Okay. So if moon in first house, what will be? For example, as I told you, you take this as your ascendant. So Gemini is your ascendant. If moon is present here only, okay, then what are all the favorable conditions? When moon is in the first house of the chart, two aspects of life will simultaneously be predicted. One from the position of the ascendant, another from the moon itself. The first house represents self-individualities. Moon is mind, emotions, inner core of a person. Generally, there will be a beautiful, youthful, energetic people will be under this category. They are also very emotional, sensitive, very polite with pleasing manners. Practically and logically will take backseat here, and emotions and feelings take the center stage. They lack beauty in everything. The mother will be a big influencing factor for them. They will inherit the qualities of the mother. They are very imaginative in nature. The problem with them is that they cannot fix anything. Emotionally, they are very charged up. React very quickly, mood swings swiftly. They may take up professions related to sea or water products, watery sports, psychology, etc. So this is about the moon in first place randomly. That is the general study. Now, if you consider for the same ascent, if moon is present here, that is in the second house, what will happen? Moon in second house. Generally, the second house represents finance, family, food habits, speech, etc. Moon is exalted in the second house of the natural zodiac. See here, in this chart, here moon is placed in its own house. As I told you, sun is the one house of this, moon is the one house of this. Here, moon is placed in its own house. So it is also related to exalted. If moon is exalted in the second house of the natural zodiac, for them, family is the most important aspect. They love their family and are emotionally attached to them. They may be soft-spoken with sweet speech and introverted. Second house is also about education. So usually they will have a comfort and nourishment at home. They will have a strong influence of a mother in their life. There will be fluctuations in the money matter, especially liquid class. There is a chance that they may get sudden and unexpected money like a lottery as it respects 8th house. They may be interested in occult studies as well. They will be fond of juices, drink, milk and milk products. So this is about this moon in second house. If the same moon is present in the third house, for example, if this is ascent, here the moon is third house means 1, 2, 3. If moon is present in the house, what are all the general characteristics? Third house is about courage, efforts, short journey, communication, etc. It is generally about the courage. They can get along with people very well. They will make friends very easily. They will be multi-talented people. They like traveling, especially short journeys. Third house is also about communication. On the negative side, they cannot settle in anything. The mind is always on a move. They want to do many things simultaneously. Their mind fluctuates in many things. The result will be more if it happens to be a movable sign. They are like jack of all trades, master of none. In profession also, it will be difficult for them to settle down if moon is placed in the third aspect. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to see moon in fourth house. This is ascent, 1, 2, 3, 4. If moon is placed here, what are all the aspects that we are going to see? Fourth house deals with, generally the fourth house of any horoscope deals with the happiness, home, comfort, property, mother, etc. Moon is the karaka for the fourth house. Generally, moon is the karaka for the fourth house. Moon is comfortable in this house. Moon gets strength in this house. They will have emotional bonding with home and mother. If the moon is favorable, then they will have a very beautiful childhood and they will enjoy their memory for the rest of their life. If the fourth house happens to be a movable sign, then they may change their house frequently or they change the interior quite so a lot. They are endowed with vehicles. As it respects the 10th house, they may not settle in profession. Then they try to do different things and like to experiment in the profession. If moon is affiliated, then the above mentioned will be badly affected. Okay, so we saw the aspects of moon in 4 houses. The remaining, that is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th house predictions of moon, we are going to see in the later classes. Thank you viewers for watching this session.